Hi, welcome to the new section, an easy way to learn Python. So in this section, I'm going to talk about variables and I'm going to talk about variable names and where how we can able to define the variable values. So creating variables, the main agenda of this section is and to see the naming convention, and we are going to use the Pycharm for this thing, and we'll be intentionally creating different number of variable names, and it's important to stay consistent. There are two very popular naming conventions out there. They are like a Camelcase Convention and underscore convention. So we'll try to see the two types of naming conventions in the next in the integrated development environment. So here in this case, we're going to see how we can able to create the variables and how we can able to assign the values to the variables. So here I'll just use as variable name, and you can assign any name. So I'll just assign the name of the variable, and I want to print the name, print the variable. So I'll just and then just click on. So you can get the string of characters. It's just printing the whatever is stored in the name variable. And the next one, we're going to see the number. So the number is also kind of string of characters because we put a quotes. So if it's a number, you will just put it as normal. So even if you put quotes, it will treat as a string of characters. So I'll just execute the program. So it's giving the value of the variable number. Next one we'll see is how we can able to define a single character variable. Like you can see in the name, you just putting a string of characters. Like what are the other ways that you can define a variable? So this one also I can define a single value. So here you can get different types of a single character by using the variable only with single variable name. So you can define the variable name as much as you want, and then you can define a set of string characters, and then you can print the variable name. So just but as you know, it's a kind of bad practice to define a lot of things in this manner. But you can also define a variable. You can't define a variables starting with numbers. I can't define it like this. I can't define like 1 2 3 ABC is something like, see here you are getting an error, because if I try to see, I can't define it because you'll get an error, obviously. Syntax error, because the variable names cannot start with the digits. And the next one we'll see is it also should not start with the symbols. Like suppose if I am starting with symbols, see here you're getting an error. So you can't able to start with numbers or the things, but however you can start with underscore. Like if you want to define, just start with the underscore. So here you can define start with that. And however as I said in the previous thing, there are very two important popular naming conventions. One is Camelcase Convention. So we'll see first one is called Camelcase Convention. So the first digit, the first character is a small, and the first character in a word is a small, and the next one is capital letters, and the next one is a capital letter. So like that you can able to define. So this is the Camelcase Convention. The next one is we have underscore convention. Just let me print out this one. So here you can able to see how we can able to see the in the Camelcase convention. It's a first character is a small letter, and the next two characters are big in the next coming words. So in the underscore convention, we have to use the underscore. So there are best practices in the Python where you can see the references for how to use the Python naming convention. But in the next coming section, we're going to see what are the different types, how the Python is dynamically programmed type language, how is it different from C and Java and all the different types of programming languages. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.